Hi, my name is Stephanie Poet, and I'm here today to talk to you about the DIY recipe from our Young Living blog for men's cologne. So let's start with what's on the website. The website includes all the essential supplies that you need. So one would be the labels. They designed them for you. I printed them on label paper. You can either print them on regular paper and apply it using a piece of tape, or like I did, and it's a sticker. So that being said, then I also picked out the scents that we're going to use today. Today's cologne will have juniper, valor, cedarwood, and a hint of ylang ylang. So to begin, we're going to start with our top note. Our top note for this one is juniper. It's very light, a little bit of pine scent to it if you haven't said juniper in a while. And then our middle note is going to be valor. Valor is my favorite scent from Young Living. It's very woodsy with a little bit of floral notes to it. Then we have our base note, which is cedarwood. Cedarwood gives it more of a depth needed for the cologne. And then we decided to add a little ylang ylang to get a florally note that lingers a little longer. So that you guys didn't have to sit here and watch me count out 30 something drops of oil, I pre-mixed the first oils in my empty 5 ml bottle. So I put 10 drops of each in. Now we're gonna go to the table and I'm gonna show you the last 2 drops of each. So I'm gonna start with the top note. Oops, I missed the bottle. All right, let's go back up here. Okay. Now I'm just gonna do it. And with that being said, I did 12 drops of juniper, 12 drops of valor, 12 drops of cedarwood, and 2 drops of ylang ylang. So here's my bottle. I had taken the plastic orifices off, and you don't need this, and you don't need the cap. For the original bottle, you will place it with a roller bottle on top. Now I'm gonna fill up the rest of this with V6 oil or another carrier oil if you have coconut on hand. And then I'll pop this on and we'll have our men's cologne. And then with my pre-made sticker, we're gonna place it on the bottle like so. And there is our men's DIY cologne. Thanks for joining me.